Understanding JSON for data storage.
JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight and popular format for storing and exchanging structured data. Its simple syntax makes it easy to read and write for both humans and machines. JSON represents data as key value pairs, arrays, and nested objects, making it ideal for transferring data between programs, especially in web and software applications.
Saving data as JSON.
To save data in JSON format, first organize your data into dictionaries or objects in your programming language. Most languages provide functions to convert these objects into JSON strings. For example, in Python, use JSON dump or JSON dumps. In JavaScript, use JSON.stringify. This JSON string can then be written to a file for storage.
Reading data from JSON.
When you need to retrieve data, read the JSON file or string into your program and convert it back into its original structure. Use JSON.load or JSON.loads in Python and JSON parse in JavaScript. This allows you to easily access values using keys or indexes, just like with regular objects or dictionaries.
Benefits of using JSON.
JSON is language independent and widely supported, making it a great choice for data exchange between different programs. Its compact and text-based format also keeps files lightweight and easy to edit. Many APIs, databases, and configuration files use JSON, so learning its basics is a useful skill for any programmer.
Simple code example.
Here's a basic example in Python. To save a dictionary as JSON, use import JSON data equals name Alice age 30 with opendata.json ws file json.dump data file. To load it back, use with opendata.json as file data equals JSON load file. This pattern works similarly in other languages, making JSON handling accessible and efficient.